Hello everyone, I welcome you to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial let's see how to grade the assignments submitted by students in Google Classroom. So lately I had assigned an assignment to my students and by now they have already done submitting their assignments. So I can find all the submitted assignments in classwork and I got to hit on assignment 1, view assignment. And if I look at the number of students that have turned in are 46 in number and still there are 6 more to submit and one has already been graded. So here is where I can filter out turned in, assigned and graded. So let me first complete grading of the marks to the students. So I'll select all so as to see the submitted assignments. And here I can filter out again sort by status or I can change to sort by first name. Let me randomly pick an assignment submitted by the student and evaluate it. Hit on the assignment submitted. So here is where I can go through all the assignments the students have submitted. If they have submitted multiple PDFs, I can get it over here. And here is where I can assign the assignment marks 10 on 10 and here is where I can write private comment. So while going through the PDF, I can also add comments if the student has missed out some points. So in order to add some points, we got to hit on add a comment. So it shows highlight an area to comment on. And hit comment button. Likewise, I can keep on commenting and here are some more options like send notification for all comments, only mention and replies to my comments and nothing. So these are all the settings that you can change if you want to. After adding comments and awarding the grade marks, hit on return button. This is how we can evaluate an assignment or any internal assessment tests. Now, as you can see right now, I have evaluated every assignment submitted by all the students. So these are the attachments, the students who have submitted the assignment via Google Classroom. And here are the marks which have been awarded to them. And you can also see that if student has submitted after the due time, the assignment submitted will be associated with done late tag. Now, if we want all the marks that I have awarded to the students within an Excel sheet so that it can be well documented for later purpose, what I can do is I can hit on wheel that is situated on the right top corner and I can hit on download all grades as CS where CS stands for comma separated values, or I can hit on copy all grades to Google Sheets. So right now Google Classroom has prepared a Google spreadsheet where we can see that we are having all our students' name versus the marks scored by them and the overall class average marks out of 10. 8.87 is the average marks of the entire class out of 10. Now what I can do is I can rename this as assignment number 1 and I can download this as Microsoft Excel sheet. Hit on S when Office spreadsheet tries to recover the workbook. Hit on Enable Editing if you want to access the content of worksheet. Hit on Close button when asked to view the log file listing repairs. So this is the Excel sheet containing name of the students, their email IDs and their marks code. And I can make use of this sheet for further processing of internal assignment marks. If you are having any queries, please post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.